Now we are going to define some standard result that will be used while doing problems which are based on limit as a sum. So the first one is sum of n terms, whose result is sigma I1 to n, that can be abbreviated as, that is I is varying from 1 to n, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and summation means these terms are added. So its answer is n into n plus 1 over 2. And if we have 1 square, 2 square up to n square, that is sigma I1 to n I square, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. And the third part is summation of cube terms, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube, that is sigma I1 to n I cube is equal to n square, n plus 1 square over 4. Now the fourth one is, if we have a AP series A into AR up to AR n minus 1, that is GP series, its summation is A R raised to power n minus 1 over R minus 1 if R is not equal to 1. And the fifth one that we will drive because it comes as a question. Let Sn is equal to sine of A plus H plus sine of A plus 2H plus so on sine of A plus NH, where H is equal to not equal to 2n pi for all n belongs to Z, because at 2n pi sine value of sine becomes 0. Now we will solve this. The first step is always multiply both sides by 2 sine h by 2. So we get 2 sine h by 2 into Sn is equal to 2 sine h by 2 into sine A plus h plus 2 sine h by 2 into sine A plus 2h plus so on 2 sine h by 2 into sine A plus nh. So if we see, we have the formula 2 sine C sine D, that is cos C minus D minus cos C plus D plus cos A plus 2h minus h by 2 minus cos A plus 2h plus h by 2 plus so on cos A plus nh minus h by 2 minus cos A plus nh plus h by 2, that is cos C minus D cos C plus D, cos C minus D cos C plus D. So this is the formula of 2 sine C sine D. Therefore we get 2 sine h by 2 into Sn is equal to cos A plus h minus h by 2 is cos A plus h by 2 minus cos A plus 3h by 2 plus cos A plus 3h by 2 minus cos A plus 5h by 2 plus so on plus cos a plus 2n minus 1 by 2h minus cos a plus 2n plus 1 h by 2. So if we see, we are getting this term is, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, next is plus, same term. So we get this is plus, it's a term before this will be minus with the same term. So we get only this term and this term in the end, because its next term should be positive, that is not in this series, and a term before this should be negative, and there is no term like that. So we will get 2 sine h by 2 into sine n, that is cos a plus h by 2 minus cos a plus h by 2 plus nh. We can write like that. This is the easy way to learn out. So Sn is equal to cos a plus h by 2 minus cos a plus h by 2 plus nh over 2 sine h by 2. So if we have the series like this, sine of a plus h up to a plus nh, we can use direct this method, this sum. So what happens if h is equal to 2n pi, then Sn is equal to sine a plus 2n pi, that is a plus h, sine a plus 4n pi, plus so on, sine a plus nh, n means 2n pi, n square pi. That is, if we see 2 sine 2 pi plus theta is sine theta. So we get sine a plus sine a plus sine a up to n times. Therefore we get, it becomes n sine na. So if h is equal to 2n pi, then we get Sn is equal to n sine na. Now the next part that we discussed, that was our sine series. Now we will discuss further, that is our cos series. So our cos series is, that is the number 6. Let in the same manner Sn is equal to cos a plus h, cos a plus 2h up to cos a plus nh, where h is not equal to 2n pi for all n belongs to natural number. Now multiplying both sides of Sn series by 2 sine h by 2, and we get 2 sine h by 2 into Sn is equal to 2 sine h by 2 cos a plus h. We can write in this manner, 2 sine h by 2 cos a plus 2h plus so on, 2 sine h by 2 cos a plus nh. Now the next term, 2 sine h by 2 Sn is equal to, now what happens, 2 sine a cos b, it becomes the formula of sine c plus d minus sine c minus d, that is d minus c, that is c plus d, and here d minus c. Now plus, next step is sine a plus 2h plus h by 2 minus sine a plus 2h minus h by 2 plus so on sine a plus nh minus h by 2 minus sine a plus nh minus h by 2. So what happened? Let's see. 2 sine h by 2 Sn is equal to sine a plus 3h by 2 minus sine a plus h by 2 plus sine a plus 3h by 5h by 2 minus sine a plus 3h by 2 plus so on a plus h by 2 plus nh minus sine a plus nh minus h by 2. So if we see from here, this is a cancel out. So if we see, this will be cancelled out by this and we will get only two terms. Now you can understand why we write in this manner. What is the main reason? By this we can get the result very easily. So we get sine a plus h by 2 plus nh minus sine a plus h by 2. So Sn is equal to sine a plus h by 2 plus nh minus sine a plus h by 2 over 2 sine h by 2. So in the sine series we get cos a plus h by 2 minus cos a plus h by 2 plus nh. But in this series we get sine a plus h by 2 plus nh minus sine a plus h by 2. So we'll use all these results while doing the problem based on limit as a sum.